had this guy for a while now, and as you can see, it's had some abuse, and yeah, works pretty good. Dewalt 12 volt, 20 volt cross line laser. This thing's pretty sweet. It will do up to 280 feet visible, and then it'll do 330 feet if you use this little guide to help you see the line off the reflection. It's pretty nice. You can see we got our on-off switch right there. Got our little calibrator here, and then we have our battery meter, and then this is where we switch our lines, and then also we have the plumb dots. So as you can see, we can do an X, we can do a line, and then we can do the vertical line, just a horizon line. It's pretty nice. And also it comes with this, where we can attach it to stuff. You can also do a tripod with this setup. And then as you can see, this will do a 5/8 arbor and then a 1/4 inch arbor. And I usually use the 1/4 inch. Let's go ahead and fire it up. We just turn this on right here. And then you can see we got our battery level. We don't have any dots, but if we push this guy right here, you can see it gives us a nice bright green line. And if I push this again, it gives us a nice vertical line. And this is good up to an 1/8 inch. And then if I push it again, it gives her a cross line. As you can see, it's pretty sensitive right now. I just have it on some tile here to show you how it works. And I really like using this to do chair rail and tile, because when I want my layout to be precise, I always use a laser. And then if I push it again, it goes away. And then if I push this guy, now I'm going to twist this knob, and then this will just slightly track a vertical line to get those fine details. Or you can just twist it manually to where you need it. But if you want a small micro adjustment, that works pretty good. You can see we got our plumb line. Got one there, and then one down there. Yep, well, that's just plumb line. But yeah, it's just basically a cross laser. And as you can see with the bright green, it is really bright. So you should be able to see this outside pretty decently. And then also there's this guy for longer distances that helps you see it when it's like bright daylight and stuff. So that's pretty nice. And it comes with a nice hard case. And this is also a case that works with the Dewalt box stack system, so you can just clip this right out into your toolbox and roll out. This thing's totally made my life a little bit easier. And as you can see, if you put it into that safety mode, it will shut off and let you know that it's tilted. So I'm just gonna shut it off. But yeah, this definitely beats using a level to do anything. You just put the lines on the wall and then transfer it. Highly recommend it.